Cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. A bed in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my side grew dim. I had to stop for the night. As she stood in the